somebody, just like somebody. You wanna party, I'm gonna party. You wanna party, dance with somebody. Cause somebody got a man of its
She have the perfect body type. Being with you is like being in paradise. Me no know who she get to. But me hear say she get to it. Not a he said, she said she get to it true. It's a good thing they fool. Come on, must believe it. Don't see it. So my baby, your heart in me, I feel it. Give it up, self, you watch your body, give me up, me. Then
just heading over to the English team. This is the Kummels, PNG Kummels.
I always get it wrong. Whenever I say George, he's what's your favourite?
Excuse me, sorry. Are you looking at?
Right now at the conversation, ladies and gentlemen, we have the New Zealand warrior legend, Manu Vatuvai. We got Sika Manu, and we got my man Tasaya Vave, all from the Matema Tonga team right here at the conversation, ladies and gentlemen.
Coming for to carry me on, sweet love, sweet chariot. Coming for to carry me on, sweet love, sweet chariot. Coming for to carry me on, sweet love, sweet chariot. Coming for to carry me.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, right here at the Carnival, we have my man Jimmy Dimmick and my man David Taggers having some of the cover. Good to see they're getting a good feel of their Tongan side right now, ladies and gentlemen.
She's so fine, she's so fine, she's so fine, girl. She's so fine, she's so fine, she's so fine. Oh, you can you come over here? Tell me what you thinking when I roll over here. Life is good, do it, and you come and with me. Oh, baby, oh, my do it. Where the sun don't shine, but the moon is bright. Come to me to the one. I'll be the one for you. I wanna take you on the cruise. I wanna be you at the time of your life. All day you love me when you go side to side, and the DJ play me song. That's how you know happy with me. Yeah, we can do the scary thing. 'Cause I cannot be pulled easily. So she's the take my hand, I promise you that the beat right. Can you come over here? Tell me what you thinking when I roll over here. Life is good, do it, and you coming with me. Oh, go on, baby, do it.
This is an announcement for Lino Salafai, my brother Lino Salafai. If you're around, the secretary and the president of Toa Samoa needs you right now. Lino Salafai, you can make your way over to the Toa Samoa camp, please. I think they're going to throw the number 18 jersey on you, Lino. So make your way over to the Toa Samoa camp right now, please, Lino.
to give this one up for my island girls, you know. And yo, right now we are showcase two of the bad boys. Me drink Patty and me drink Ocean.
From the dark until dawning, and now I'm looking in your eyes in the morning, and then you look at me, girl, and smile, cause you know I treat you right all the while. Nowhere else in the world I've been, no more beautiful women I've seen, where the sky is clear and the grass is green. Island girls, you are a man's best dream. I love the way that you move me. Every time I do a show, got a bunch of local girls all in the front row. They know in other words and the way the song goes. Bodies bouncing all around like they're playing the bongo. And you know they wanna come to the party, kick it with the Hutu crew and get naughty. Turn up the stereo so she can shake her body. Baby girl, I love it when you call me Big Party.
Hi Billy. Hi AJ.
smile so bright. You know you could have been a girl. I'm holding you so tight. You know you could have been a girl. The way you're slipping on my feet. You know you could have been a blue. Baby, it sounds so sweet. You know you could have been so pretty. As you are, you know you could have been a flower, and it looks romantic. You know you could have been an hour. The way you stole my love, you know you could have been a groove. And baby, you're so smart. You know you could have been a school dude. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to. I can feel it. Everything you do. Things you do.
Baby, like so, what? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Because all the bitches play. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. You, back it up and dump it. Put your arms out front, let me side to side. They gon' below you when they see you hit that double ride. Ain't nobody fuckin' with my brother from on the side. Go by brother, ain't me with that double thug. I ain't from Dallas, but I need town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody tryna do me. I leave functions and all the ladies tryna steal me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it. Hey, niggas love to hate, so they try to screw me. Bitches be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright, niggas try to do me. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
He's coming to the game? He's coming to the game on Saturday? Yeah.
I'll go for both Fiji and Tonga, man.
With us tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Blacktown City Mayor who's going to say a few words on behalf of the people. Ladies and gentlemen, please put that together for the Blacktown City Mayor, Stephen Burley, ladies and gentlemen.
Chili school early? It's coming? Yeah. There's a long line at the front. Good luck on the weekend. Thank you so much.
I'd 6. I'd too many.
Good luck on the weekend.
Oh, sorry. What do you want me to do? Yeah, everyone's okay. Everyone's finished. But you got all those here? Yeah, we're fine.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I thought it'd be like a lover in Eric or something. Thank you, cheese.
Good luck on the weekend.
Thanks, brother. It's wicked. Come, Kevin. You wanna wait here? Sign some signatures? You wanna wait here? Change. Thank you.
Give me the signature. Thank you. Hey, my brother. Also, thank you.
Thank you very much. I also like to thank obviously all the teams, our coaches, all of our Six Nations that are representing in the Pacific Test Match Invitational this weekend. I also like to thank obviously our community delegates.
Hey, Mama.
Communities engaging all of
Have you done the English scene?
across the region to support their teams. So a very big thank you to all of our delegates and also our working group. We've done a fantastic job of putting this together. So thank you, and last and certainly not least, I'd like to thank all of our supporters, our Pacific communities here as well as our English supporters. The invitation was on Saturday the 6th of May this weekend. Look forward to seeing you all out there. God bless you and have a good rest of the night. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for the man himself, Dwight Garcia, who has played such a key role in making sure that the success of all of our Pacific Test matches every year here in Victoria.
You sure?
I hope that thing's on pause.
Yeah, no. Oh, this is the trophy. Oh, this is the trophy there.
This is the Rugby League World Cup, yeah. So you're welcome to take as many photos as you want. You can take a photo with it. The only thing we ask is just don't touch it, that's all.
Another big shout out to my man DJ Mecca on the ones and twos right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Blasting all of the Pacific sounds. Taking
Go to the English team.
Where's it?
my man DJ Mecca.
Over there.
Oh, they've already gone.
Have they? Yeah, I think so. Oh, the English team is gone. Have you done the PNG?
Do them again.
Oh man.
I did them before.
We did the English team. Hey, also. Good. Got the Samoan team ready. Can you go just sit down? Right. English team's already gone. There you go, Vee. No.
Hey.